How to see everyone you unfriended on Facebook. So if you have unfriended a certain person on Facebook and now you want to see the list of them, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to tap over the 3-bar horizontal line in the right to corner, and here you have to scroll down and go for settings option. Over here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see the activity log on your activity. Tap over activity log and you'll be opened up to various options. You have to scroll down to the bottom where you'll be able to see the connections option. Simply tap over there and you have to go for manage friends. Here you can see there's a filters option. Tap over filters and go for all categories. When you tap over there, you'll be able to see the popped up with various options at the bottom. You just have to go for the remove friends, and all of the friends that you have removed will be available in this section. So removed means those person who you have unfriended. So with this simple step, you'll be able to see everyone you unfriended on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.